Financial markets are evaluating the aggressive shift towards monetary policy tightening by major central banks. Investors are also concerned about the situation around coronavirus. As a result, US stock indices closed last week in the red zone. Find out more about quotes in foreign exchange, crypto and commodities markets in our video review on InstaForex TV. The US dollar index, which measures its value against the basket of 6 major currencies, returned to a 9-week high by the end of the week and settled above 96.60. At the moment, investors prefer to avoid risk assets. Besides, the plans of the US Federal Reserve to raise the key rate 3 times next year also support demand for the dollar. The euro depreciated against the stronger US dollar and closed the week lower by 0.66%. At the same time, the ECB began to gradually reduce its stimulus program and announced a slowdown in the pace of assets purchases as soon as the next quarter. The Eurozone monetary authorities have finally acknowledged the signs of economic recovery and the fact that inflation has reached the medium-term target. Meanwhile, the Bank of England took a more aggressive stance on monetary policy. The regulator unexpectedly decided to raise the rate to 0.25% during its meeting on Thursday. This news sent the sterling upwards, but by the end of the week, the pound-dollar pair returned to the opening levels. Apparently, market participants fear a slowdown in the UK economy due to newly imposed COVID-19 restrictions. A pessimistic mood is observed in the crypto market as well. Thus, the price of Bitcoin declined below the level of $50,000 per token. Crypto traders couldn't develop a steady rally, although analysts believe that Bitcoin will soon return to historic highs. Perhaps the crypto market will follow this so-called Santa Claus rally that usually happens in the last weeks of December. As for the commodities market, oil has dropped in value. Amid rising cases of COVID around the world, investors fear that global crude demand may decline, especially in the US. In addition, a stronger US dollar supported by expectations of a rate hike by the Fed also weighs on oil quotes. Against this backdrop, Brent crude closed the week at $73 per barrel. In the meantime, investors returned to a traditional safe haven asset, that is gold. The quotes of the precious metal went above the level of $1,800 per troy ounce. And you've watched Combined Financial Review on Insta TV with me, Anna Kasatkina. See you back soon.